Here's a fun fact. Isn't that absolutely amazing and mind-boggling? Did you know that in a healthy human body, approximately 50 to 70 billion cells with a B, not million, billion cells die every single day? This process primarily through apoptosis, which means the death of cells, which occurs as a normal and controlled part of an organism's growth or development. This process of death of cells is crucial for maintaining bodily functions and removing damaged or old cells. And these cells are then replaced by new ones, ensuring tissue and organ health. Isn't the human body absolutely amazing? Imagine 50 to 70, the average say 60 billion cells, and each cell is more advanced than a Mercedes or a BMW factory. Can you imagine your body is making, killing 70 billion and making 70 billion new ones every single day? Absolutely amazing.